Hello, dear students of class 12. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Once again, I sincerely welcome you all to this class. Dear students, please pay attention to the board here. Uh, we are learning Tempest Act 5, Scene 1. Today we will be learning the test from 96 to 150. And the location, as I have already told you, it is in front of Prospero's cell. And the characters present here are our Prospero, Ariel, then Gonzalo, Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio. They are the characters present here. Let me quickly remind you of what we have learned in our previous class. Dear students, yesterday in our class we had learned our Prospero's decision to give up the magical power as to bring peace and harmony or peaceful reunion of all the broken relationships. Our Prospero decides to forgive his enemies. And in the long speech which we learned in our previous class from 36 to 96, first part of that speech, Prospero gave sincere thanks to Ariel and his associate spirits for helping him to do or perform various wonders or miracles in the island, especially giving severe punishment to his enemies. Then the second part of the class, we learned that now Prospero asked Ariel to bring all his enemies before the cell in a magical circle, and they were brought there. Then Prospero started talking to them, but they were still in the illused mind with the illusion. So they could not clearly grasp or understand, and finally he thought of revealing himself as real Prospero. Thus he asked his good spirit Ariel to bring his robe and hat and retire the knife, all those things, and he is planning to reveal himself. And at the same time, he also confirms the freedom of our Ariel. And when Ariel came to know about his freedom, he is going to get his freedom very soon. He sings with joy, telling that where the bees suck, there suck I, in a cowslip bell I lie. There I couch when owls do cry, on the bat's back I do fly, after summer merrily. Merrily, merrily shall I live now, under the blossom that hangs on the bough. That is the place where we have stopped. Hope you have watched the video and understood the things. Now, dear students, let me take your attention to test number 96 to 150. That is the passage we will be learning, beginning with our Prospero's dialogue from 100 onwards. Prospero, why, that is my dainty Ariel. I shall miss thee, but yet thou shalt have freedom. So. To the king's ship, invisible as thou art, there shalt thou find the mariners asleep under the hatches. The master and the boatswain, being awake, enforce them to this place, and presently I pray thee. Thus, our Prospero is giving the final command or final order to our Ariel to bring all of them here, the mariners who are sleeping. Let us learn by line. Why? Yes, that is my dainty spirit. Dainty means very gentle, delicate. Dainty means my spirit. Yes, that is my hearing the singing. Hearing the singing, Prospero understands, yes, that is the singing of my gentle spirit, Ariel. I shall miss thee. Now he's saying, I am going to miss you because Prospero is going to give him freedom. But yet thou shalt have freedom. Though I am going to miss you, I am going to free you. So is the words that is used to express thanks. Thus, next time when you have to express or say thank you to someone, just say, my dear, so. Thank you very much. That is the meaning. Yes. To the king's ship go. You go to the king's ship, which was affected with storm, severe tempest. Invisible as thou art. You go to the king's ship invisibly, and there you shall find the mariners asleep under the hatches, under the deck, under the deck. There, go invisibly to the king's ship and awake the mariners who are sleeping under the deck. The master and the boatswain being awake, as they wake up, go and bring them, enforce them to this place, bring them to this place, and presently, I pray thee, quickly, immediately you do this job. Let me summarize it for you, then you will understand. Why? That is my dainty Ariel. I will miss you, but you will have your freedom. That is right. Thank you. Now go to the king's ship invisible as you are. There you will find sailors sleeping below the deck. When the master and the boatswain of the ship wake up, make them come here. Do this now, I request you. Thus our Prospero is giving almost his final command to Ariel. Ariel, I drink the air before me. Yes, I will go as quickly as possible and return or before your pulse twice beat. Yes, I go so quickly and before your pulse beat 2 times, I will return. How fast Ariel is, isn't it? If you wish to get the company of Ariel, this one, very good spirit. Yes, I will fly quickly and return before your pulse beats twice. Over. Ariel is back. Yes, Gonzalo. All torment, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here. He feels all torments, pain, difficulties, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here in this place. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. Gonzalo is making again a prayer. Oh heavenly power, please help us to come out of this place. Help us to or rescue us from this wicked place. Gonzalo, all torment. Torment means the difficulties, the pain, trouble, difficulties, wonder, suspense, surprise, and amazement inhibits, lives here. All these type of things are here. What all things? Torments, wonders, surprise, amazement, trouble. All these things are found in this place. And he makes heavenly a prayer. Oh heavenly gods, please protect us from this painful area. Every pain, trouble, surprise, and amazement exists here. May some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place, frightening place. Prospero. Behold, Sir King. Now he is talking to King Alonso. Yes. Behold, O King Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, Prospero, for more assurance that a living prince does now speak to thee. I embrace thy body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. Now Prospero has absolutely forgiven all his enemies. He is sincerely welcoming all of them. Let us read and understand. Prospero. Behold, Sir King. Now he is talking to King. Alonso, the wronged Duke of Milan, Prospero. Yes, Prospero tells, you have done wrong to the Duke of Milan, that is to Prospero. For more assurance, for making it more sure that a living prince does now speak to thee. Yes, like a living prince, I speak to thee. I am not a spirit. Yes, I embrace thy body. I embrace, wholeheartedly embrace thy body. And to thee and thy company, I bid, I heartily welcome. Yes, to thee and thy company, that is Alonso and his group, I sincerely or heartily welcome you all. Prospero, let me explain it test for you. Behold, O King Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, assures you that a living person is speaking to you. I am not a spirit, a living person is speaking to you. I embrace you with my arms. I embrace you with my arms, and I offer to you and your companions a cordial welcome. I welcome you all. I am not a spirit, but the wronged Duke of Milan. The wrong was done by Alonso and Antonio. Yes. Alonso, whether thou beest he or no, whether thou beest he or no, or some enchanted trifle to abuse me, as I have been, I not know. Thy pulse beats as of flesh and blood, and since I saw thee, the affliction of my mind amends with which I fear a madness held me. This must crave, and if this be at all a most strange story, thy dukedom I resign, and to entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. But now should Prospero be living and be here. Now let us understand the text once again, starting from 120, Alonso's dialogue. Whether thou beest he or no, I do not know whether thou you are he is referred for Prospero. I do not know whether you are Prospero or not, or some enchanted spirit, some spirit which controls everything, or you are a spirit talking in the tone of Prospero, or some enchanted trifle means a spirit, to abuse me, have come to trouble me, disturb me, as I have been, as late I have been, I don't know. I do not know whether you are a spirit sent to trouble me or the real Prospero. I do not know. Thy pulse, now thy pulse beats like beats as of flesh and blood, like your pulse beat like the pulse of human being. And since I saw thee, as I have seen you, the affliction of my mind amends. Affliction, the trouble. As I have seen you, the sickness, affliction means the sickness of my mind has reduced, gone, come down. The affliction of my mind amends, with which I fear a madness held me. I think I was affected with some kind of madness. This must crave. Crave means demand. Yes, this must demand. And if this be at all a most strange story, yes, and if this everything is story, if everything is true, then there is a strange story. Thy dukedom I resign from your dukedom, and do entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. And I request you to give your forgiveness, your pardon for all my wrongs, for all my mistakes. But how should Prospero be living and be here? But he is surprised, and Alonso is saying, if you are really Prospero, then I do resign from my dukedom, that is Milan, and also I request you to grant me your forgiveness and pardon. Now then he is asking, but how can Prospero be here? Yes, How can Prospero be living and how he can be here? Prospero, first noble friend, let me embrace thine age. First, first noble friend, oh my noble friend, let me embrace thee, thine age. Let me, as you are old, let me embrace you, whose honor cannot be measured or confined. Whose honor we respect elderly people, isn't it? That is the custom of our country. We respect all the elderly people, irrespective of their caste, color, and creed. So he's saying that first, my noble friend, let me embrace your aged self, whose honor cannot be measured or limited. Yes, the previous test, please once again, I will read. Whether you are really Prospero or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, as it has happened of late, I do not know. Your pulse beats like that of a human being. After seeing you, the illness in my brain, which I fear was some kind of madness, has improved. And all this requires a strange story to explain. If it in fact is not a dream, I hereby resign from your dukedom of Milan. I also I also beg of you to perform me all my misdeeds, but I would like to know how Prospero is living in this place, in this island. Now, test number 130. Be measured or confined, yes, Gonzalo. Whether this be or be not, I will not so. I do not know whether it is real or dream. That is the meaning. Whether this be or be not. Whether this be or be not, I will not swear. I do not know whether it is reality or just dream. I cannot be sure whether all this is real or a dream. Prospero. You do yet taste some subtleties of the isle that will not let you believe this certain. Welcome, my friends, all. Now, Prospero is saying that, yes, you do yet taste, still you are under some kind of illusion of this island. That is the reason why you are not able to believe this. You do not yet taste, you do